Hello, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I create rain marks and speed streaks using only one watercolor pencil and some water. Let's do it. The pencil in question is the Ivory Black from Cretacolor. I think that a case rubber black is also a suitable candidate because this is a slightly brownish black, which I think is perfect for this application. So the first thing I do is to wet a fine brush and then transfer some pigment from the pencil on the brush and then on the desired area of the model. For the rain marks, that would be a high spot on the vertical surfaces. Then using a fan brush, I'm going to streak that down using a sweeping motion, mostly downwards, but then when I get enough of the material everywhere, I'll start moving up and down so I can blend the pigment a little bit better. One thing to consider is that, at least in my opinion, this effect should be very subtle. Every now and then I'm taking the fan brush and I'm cleaning it onto my glove or a paper towel to get rid of some of the pigment, and then I get back to blending. At some point I will air dry the area and see what the effect looks like. If I am happy with it, I will leave it alone. If I'm not, I can add some more paint or blend it even further. So you have the possibility to make it stronger or even completely eliminate the effect if you don't like it. I also use a large flat brush, mostly to eliminate some more stubborn pigment spots, but also you can use this brush to blend the effect. Now enjoy the rest of the rain marks effects application, and then we will go to the speed streaks, which are the same but kind of different, so stay tuned. Alright, let's do the speed streaks. Every time I ride on a passenger airplane, I can see these little dark drops of dirty water getting from any kind of panel lines or access panels, getting blown by the airflow towards the back of the wing. And this is very nice effect to have on any model. So the difference in the application and the blending from the rain marks is that maybe we need here to be a little bit more deliberate with the placing of those speed streaks. So I place the pigment behind some of the panel lines and then I drag the streaks backwards using the fan brush, but I try not to get all the way through the next panel line. So we get this effect where we have streaking from each panel line. That is, of course, from panel lines which are perpendicular to the airflow, so the air can blow the moisture and the dirt out of there. Well, this is going to be all for today. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful and interesting to watch. If you want to be a part of the day-to-day updates of this Phantom build and my other builds, feel free to join my membership program on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, happy modeling, fellas.